Gently lower your hands, bring them down next to the thighs. Next, we move on to the shoulder rotation. Gently raise your hands sideways up. Bring the hands parallel to the ground at shoulder level. Bend the hands at the elbow. Place the fingertips over the shoulder. Let's practice forward shoulder rotation. 4 rounds. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's practice 4 rounds of backward shoulder rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Extend. Join. Make a Namaskar Mudra. Hold this position with slow, effortless breathing. This is Vrikshasana. Gently lower your hands sideways down. Come to the initial position. Lower your hands. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, bend to the left. Take the left ear as close as possible to the left shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend to the right.